Hawaiian, Samoan, and Ojibwe creation stories. So to start off, the Hawaiians, they have two sort of gods that they look to, called Papa and Wakia. Papa meaning Earth Mother, and Wakia meaning Sky Father. They both had a daughter named Ho'o Kuku. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. Ho'o Kukalani, and this Ho'o Kukalani had a miscarriage, and so this fetus was buried, and from there a plant arose from the ground that no one had seen before, and they called it taro. Ho'o Kukalani's next pregnancy was actually successful, and Haloa was born, the first Hawaiian to ever exist. Now, these Hawaiians, as well as Papa and Wakia, look to taro as the taro of the plant as a godly figure. Not human like, but more so idealistic. God to them. Okay. The Samoans. So the Samoans believe that only heaven and water covered earth in the beginning, and they have a god they look to named Tagaloa, and Tagaloa looked down on earth and considered creating a place where he could stand. He named this place Manuateli. Now, Manuateli was one big island until Tagaloa broke it into several different islands called Savaii, Upolu, Tonga, and Fiji. And there's more. There's more islands, but those are the main four. And Tagaloa had looked upon. So he looked upon all he created, and decided he needed a king for these islands. So he took the son of Po and Ao. And when this son was born, his abdomen was firmly attached to his mother's womb. And as this guy. Yeah, as this guy became king of his domain, or his island, his people called him Samoa, where Samoan comes from, and Samoa means sacred abdomen. So, you can tie all that together. All right. And then the Ojibways. So, ancient Ojibwe ancestors lived along the northeastern part of North America. And there were combinations of prophecies of tribal warfare going on, and that caused a migration west. And this migration lasted many centuries for the Ojibwe people. So there was a prophecy that made them start this migration, and this prophecy that influenced the move. Was to move where food grows on water, because where they were living, they had no food, and people were dying. So they moved where food grows on water, and so this is how the Ojibwe culture kind of was created, and how how we remember how we still remember them to this day. They're structured around reciprocity. That word right there, and gift giving is a big important social role in their society.